Hi everybody, and welcome to my car again. I am going to do an unpackaging. It is literally right here. It's in this white box. So let's just get into it. I've already sliced it open. Alright, so this is from eBay. It's an item I bought from eBay. And get rid of the box. Put it on the passenger seat. Alright, so what I got is this really nice jacket. I thought it was going to be pink. It's kind of a purpley color. That's fine. It is a Harley jacket. It does have some fleece inside of it. Right here. It smells really good. I did get it in an extra large. The Harley emblem is on the back, as well as on the front right here. And then the pockets are like this. Super duper nice. It does have a little pocket right here. Does it have one on the other side? No, I don't think so. Nope, not on the other side. And this came really, really fast. Like, this seller shipped this the day I bought it, and literally it got to me in 4 days. So amazing. I do like that it does have the thumb hole as well. So keep that in mind. This one has the thumb hole. Let me show you the tag and all of that. So here's the tag, and then it says it's an extra large, and then here is the details on it. Just in case anybody wants to look that up. So that is my new fleece jacket for our ride. And yes, I do have my strawberry from Temu in my hair. Anyway, and my Temu shirt. This shirt is from Temu. It says, "It's fine, everything's fine." Or, "I'm fine, everything's fine." And then it's like, it's electrocuted. And I do have the pants that kind of go with these. They're these ones. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.